I assume I'm live. Okay, let's see if I can record this. Hi, my name is Bill Feaver, and I am an affiliate marketer, and I'm with a company that is really awesome, and I will explain that to you later in other videos. But right now, I want to talk about the Grow Rich Mastermind that we have every Monday through Friday with a group of people on a call where we talk about things that inspire us. We read the Think and Grow Rich book. We read other books, and we discuss them and then share our thoughts and mastermind for an hour every morning and to get some inspiration for the day and to help us in our other businesses. So I just wanted to invite you. This is what is a thank you page that's linking between my capture page and the Grow Rich Mastermind collection that I'm going to give you. And I just want to say hi so that you get to know me and know who I am. So with that, I thank you and have a good day.